Hi, what's up, Dogecoin holder? Dogecoin holder, the price is increasing and completely on the trending this time in the crypto market. So that's mean, my friends, to all crypto market is not compatible. All coin were fails down, but Dogecoin is one of the unique coin, my friend, and I can't expect this from Dogecoin, my friends. So they will starting moving upward. But don't worry, my friends. Every coin will starting moving upward after the mid of month. So therefore, it's a chance, my friend. It's a chance to take a very good profit. So please don't chance and take a very good profit now. Dogecoin price is increasing 1.05% just in only in last 24 hours. But if we check out the last 3 days, my friend, so you can see here 1.65% the price is increased now just in only in last 3 days. But in last 7 days this coin will negative now absolutely, as you can see here, my friend, minus 0.04% the price is decreased. I hope they will recover easily now just in only in one day. My brother, as you can see here in the start of this week, this coin were very badly dumps down. So therefore, I'm also very shocked to what I cannot decide, my friends, to what I need. My friends need to I do, my friends, to be safe from lost, and I get earned money, my friends. I get a profit. So I found, my friends, this big reason, my friends. You can see, my friends, today will starting moving upward after a very long time. The reason was that to holder are starting holding now, so therefore the price will starting increasing. But otherwise, my friend, if a holder not starting investing holding, so therefore this is impossible, my friends. So they will moving upward, they will more fails down, dumps down, and they cannot give you a profit. So Dogecoin holder, it's a very good time, my friends, for all of you to you will get a very good profit because the price is hour by hour, minute by minute increasing. So therefore you will need, my friends, to hold now and just in only, my friends, wait for a good time. I hope they will make you millionaire now. See you next time, holder. Kindly like video and also press the bell icon for videos notification.